Hello and welcome back to another part of Yorkies, Bits and Bobs. In this part we're going to start stripping it down because it wants a proper clean and I need to sort out all these cables. So this is part 2 of this video. So we're going to remove the graphics card. I can remember how to do it using this device. Ah, there you go, it's got a little cover on the back of it. So I took that off. Unscrew this Phillips screwdriver or posi drive, well, I think there's 2 names for it. Remove the power. That's easy enough, and there should be a little lever there. See that? See that lever back there? Little yellow one. Just to push that back to help it release. It just holds it in place. You should just pull out. There you go. Let's see how dirty she is. It doesn't look too bad. There's a bit of dust in there. So just get me a little paintbrush in there and with the hoover going. You see that? I think you can see it. Bit of dust. Give it a good clean out. You could take it apart. Take it all off. But I will see. It's quite a big graphics card actually. Not too heavy, not like my new one, my 1080 I've got at the back, another Asus one. So I'll put that to one side. I can't even remember what model it is now. I think it's a 1070 or something silly like that. Far too old. Really, all it does. But there you go. So I'll put that to one side. I thought I'd quickly show you all the bits, and they're still dirty as you can see, and show you around the case. So I'm going to have a think about it. I'm going to obviously clean all the bits up, including this case, and then I'm going to decide whether or not to just buy a new case and put my old parts back inside into a new case. Yeah, so I'll stop this video now. That's the end of my disassembly of my computer, my old computer case. And now next job is to give it a good clean up and decide whether I'm going to put it back in the same case or just buy a new case and put all them parts back in. At the moment I'm not thinking about buying another PC unless something comes along for me. So that's what I think I'll do. So anyway, if you have any comments and you think it's best for me to put in a new case, let me know in the comments. So, what else? I think that's it. I'm going to do another part, obviously. I'll do cleaning. I'll see how long this video is and I'll either stick it in this video for you to see me clean it. It'd be speeded up because obviously it's going to be a bit boring. Stripping all the bits down, cleaning them all up, and then I'll do another video and reassemble it. Like I said, either be in a new case or it'll be back in the old case. So let me know in the comments again. I know I keep repeating this, but put it in the comments if you want to see it in the new case or not. And If you like my video, give me a thumbs up, and if you didn't like it, give me the thumbs down. And why didn't you like it? Is it too long-winded or what? And please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Yorkies, Bits and Bobs. There's a man.